Welcome to Absolut Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico.
Guess I'm Heather then.
And today we're going to show you how to make Absolut Crushed Cosmopolitan.
Get all the flavors of citron, you get all the flavors of lime. Really good for when you want to impress people at your barbecues. So should we get into it?
Yes, show me.
So as you know, we want to start with our cheapest ingredients first. But again, we're not going to be putting the cranberry juice in as one of the cheap ingredients first. We're going to actually do that as the last ingredient. So the reason we're going to put this as the last ingredient is we're going to be topping the glass up. So we're going to start off with our triple sec, and we're going to want to put in 0.75 parts of triple sec. Now we're going to have some fresh lime, and we want equal parts triple sec to lime. So that's again another 0.75 parts of lime.
So we're going to cut this lime into pieces.
So again, just 0.75 parts. Straight in. Super simple.
All right, what's next?
Next is the star of the show. We're going to throw some Absolut citron in there. Great citrus vodka. And what we want in here is 1.5 parts, just like that. So now we're going to add some ice, add some garnish, add some ice, and then top with the final ingredient. So first of all, we're going to get some crushed ice in there and throw that directly in. Oof, I'm making a bit of a mess here. So we're going to give this a little stir, just to make sure everything's like mixed up. Now we're going to start to try and garnish this. So we want 2 really slim orange wheels, as thin as you can get it, because we want this to wrap around the glass. Those are some pretty thin ones. The easiest way to get those slices really, really thin is just practice. You need a steady hand and you need to be really good at slicing. There is no real super tip. Maybe you want to try and use a mandolin, but just practice. That's the only thing you can do.
And a sharp knife.
Oh yeah. Okay, so we want to try and get this so it's around the glass. You may want to use a straw or a spoon to try and get this down. We're going to add a little bit more ice now, just because it's starting to melt. And we're going to try and put another one on the other side. And you just want to stick that down. But we want the whole drink to be pink. So we're just going to top it with a little bit of cranberry juice. You just try and stir that again so we get a nice pink color throughout the glass. We've roughly put about half a part of cranberry juice in there just to get the color. So now we want to put another 2 parts of cranberry. So that's 2.5 parts of cranberry altogether, right in. And now, because we've got crushed ice, want to make a nice little crown so it looks pretty. Like so.
Beautiful.
And then this internet sensation calls for a mint garnish. When you want to look for the mint garnish, you want to try and get that perfect top of the mint plant. And I think we got it there. Looks fantastic. Great looking mint garnish. This means that you bunch it up, it starts to kind of like a flower, and you can put that right in there. I'm going to take a straw with this one and just try and slide it in. Try not to hit the orange garnish, because that will ruin all your hard work. I know it's a lot, it's like get it in next to this, don't hit this, don't hit this. But sometimes drinks are complicated, but hey, the Crushed Cosmo.
Should we try it?
I'd love to. Real nice.
I would say that the flavors are more like a original Cosmopolitan. It's a little bit more sour and tart, like that one is, but it looks like the Long Cosmo.
If you've got no time and you want to make a drink real quick, go for that Long Cosmo. It's super simple. But if you've got time and want to make it look a little bit fancy, stick some orange wheels in there, some crushed ice and a mint sprig, the Crushed Cosmo. Another twist on a classic drink.